numbers, alphanumeric numbers. These two types are the types of list. Thank you.
डॉक्टर कह रहा था बीपी शूट कर दिया था, दवाई लिख दी है, अब घबराने की कोई बात नहीं है, सब जल्दी।
गिर कैसे सकती है माँ? माँ की होगी, हेल्प के लिए बुलाया होगा, थे कहाँ?
वो पापा वो बाथरूम में था ना, इसलिए शायद सुनाई नहीं दे।
Yes, sir.
A very good noon to all of you. Myself Shubham Agarwal, a computer teacher of Shamford Future School, Amroha. Today we are going to discuss about the list in HTML. So we are reading the topic list in HTML. So first of all, we have to know about how many types of list do we have. See? So first of all, let me tell you or clear you. We are having two types of list in HTML. Number one is ordered list. And second one is unordered list. Okay. So now what is the difference between ordered list and unordered list? Ordered list is a type of list in which we are having a particular serial of elements that we are going to make. For example, if we are making a list of vegetables. For example, I am taking a list of vegetables. So I am going to write the elements within the list. So first one, for example, potato. Number 2, tomato. Number 3, peas. Number 4, whatever. Please tell me the name of the vegetables.
Carrot.
Carrot. Fifth one is ladyfinger. Now you can see over here that we are having a particular serial, means that we cannot shift anything from its location. For example, अगर मैं चाहूँ तो potato को यहाँ नहीं लिख सकता because it's first, तो मुझे ऊपर ही लिखना पड़ेगा. तो ordered list is that type of list जिसके अंदर हम serial को change नहीं कर सकते. We cannot change the serial of the things. But in unordered list is that type of list which do not contain any serial. Unordered list वो होती है जिसके अंदर कोई भी serial नहीं होता. For example, same we are going to make के vegetables की एक list बनाई. इसी के अंदर मैंने लिख दिया कि carrot, यहाँ पे मैंने कोई भी सीरियल नहीं लिया. तो जब हम कोई सीरियल नहीं लेते, if we do not have any serial, so we are going to use bullets. Bullets are the signs or the designs we are going to use before the text, जिससे पता चले कि अलग-अलग चीजें हैं. So we can use over here dot, cross, arrow sign, whatever is the sign you want to use, you can use over here. And over here also, you are not supposed to only use these numbers.
My name is Vishama from class 8 in Shamford Future School, Amroha. Today I am here to explain the topic list in HTML. There are two types of lists: ordered list and unordered list. Ordered list have a serial and unordered list have not a serial. Ordered list is the list in which we have to use numericals, and unordered list is the list in which we have not to use numericals. Like first onion, second potato, third carrot. And in this list, onion, carrot, potato, there are no numericals. Thank you and have a nice day.
A very sharp good morning to all of you. This is Prabchal from class 8. Today I am here to represent a topic in computer. The topic name is list in HTML. There are two types of list in HTML. First is ordered list and second is unordered list. In ordered list, we see the numbers of anything is in sequence. There you see onion, potato and carrot. In unordered list, you see the number in not in serial. You see onion, carrot and potato. They are changed. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning everyone. Myself Manvi Jyoti, studying in Stanford Futuristic School, Aurora from class 8. Today I am here to explain you the topic of computer list in HC. There are two types of lists. Ordered list. An ordered list is a number of items which have a serial. For example, onion, potato, carrot. Unordered list. An unordered list is a number of items which we do not have in serial. For example, onion, carrot, potato. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I am Anshika Chaudhary from Standard 8 in studying Stanford Futuristic School and Nova. Today I am explaining the topic is list in HTML. There are two types of list. First one is ordered list and second one is unordered list. Ordered list that have right in a serial. For example, onion, potato, carrot. Second one is unordered list. They do not have serial. For example, onion, carrot, potato. Ordered list वो होती है जिन्हें हम एक सीरियल में लिखते हैं like that 1 2 3 and unordered list वो होती है जिन्हें हम कैसे भी लिख सकते हैं. हम इन्हें 1 2 3 की फॉर्म में नहीं लिखते, ऊपर का नीचे और नीचे का ऊपर लिख सकते हैं.